Hi friends, this is Kendy Jane. Today I have a new spoiler. It's not exactly the spoilers I like to release, but this is the information we got for today. I want to remind everyone about my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. You have about 5 more days to get into that. I'll link the video up here. There will be 4 winners, so this is a big one for my channel. You want to get in it. So let's get to that spoiler. He came at us today with this new spoiler and said we would be getting one of these 3 brands in our box. Yes, I know everyone hates these kind of things, but it's either going to be Tarte, Becca, or House of Lashes. So it's only one of these in your box. So you're either going to get a Tarte product, a Becca product, or a House of Lashes product. So there's going to be evidently maybe 3 variations of the box. So that's what was said. Another piece of information he gave was everybody needs to update their quiz. They finally updated the quiz. So here I have a screenshot. After you sign into Boxycharm, you see where they have giveaways. Click that tab, and then this will be the next screen you see. And from here you can take the beauty quiz. You see at the middle bottom where I have here, you click there and you go into the beauty quiz, and it should have an additional skin tone or undertone question in there to help them somewhat give you a better product if it has undertones in it. So I just wanted to remind you about this. Okay, to recap what's so far in the August Boxycharm box, we have the Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal Pressed Pigments Palette. Second, we have a lippy from Smashbox. It can be one of many they showed on the preview. And third, one product from either Becca, House of Lashes, or Tarte. And we're getting 6 items in the box. This is turning out to be a very interesting box, so I can't wait to see what else will be in it. If you haven't subscribed yet and would like to subscribe to my channel, please hit that subscription button. If you want to see more of my videos and get all the notifications, ring that bell. And if you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Please remember to be kind to one another. And until I see you next time, bye.